Chizoba, daughter of Agumba, are you going to get married to a thief who stole from your mother and family? You know I've been looking for you. And here you are. Thanks to the gods of our land. Now listen and listen real good. Tomorrow is my traditional marriage day with Nduka, the love of my life. And nobody, no man, no spirit can stop us. Do you understand me? Read my lips. No man, born of a woman, can stop me. Thank you, Uncle. Nduka, son of Ojukwu, it seems the waters did not favor you today.
I have been at the river since morning and I did not even catch anything. Eh? It's just as if the fishes knew I was coming today and they all disappeared.
Nduka, sometimes the waters choose whom to favor. But you know what? I'll just go back to the river and try again. You might be lucky this time.
Eh? I just told you now that I have been there since morning and I did not even catch even crayfish, and you're asking me to go back.
A word is enough for the wise. Just go back. It might favor you this time. Go. I'll be on my way now.
A word is enough football wise. Let me just go and check. Hey!
Okay.
Obi.
I've been looking for you.
How are you?
I'm fine. I went to check on you at your place. I didn't see you. So I said to come and check on you at the riverbank because I know I will see you there.
Obi, if I tell you what happened today, you will not believe. Well, let's leave that.
What happened?
It's a story for another day. You see this here? I am giving it to you as a sign of my love.
Oh, thank you so much, Robin.
You're welcome.
You're the best. Oh my God, my love, this fish is big.
I just caught it.
Help me hold it. Oh my goodness, thank you.
You're welcome.
Aw, thank you very much. I love the way you love me. I love the way you take care of me. I love the way you look out for me. In fact, you're the best thing that has ever happened to me.
And you too, my love. You're one of God's best gifts to humanity.
Thank you.
I love you more.
Thank you.
Let's go. Huh?
Okay.
Thank you for coming.
Alright. Okay.
Uncle?
Look, how are you?
Fine, no.
So you're fixing your net.
Yes, welcome.
Yeah. I was fishing today.
Uncle, today wasn't good though. The waters did not favor me today, but I'm hopeful I'll try again tomorrow.
Sure. The waters will favor you tomorrow. Our gods will always be with you.
You see.
Yes. Nduka, I am actually here to discuss something very important with you. Nduka, you are my late brother's only son. And I think it is very wise for you to, look for a young lady to get married to. So I want you to go out and look for a marriageable young lady. And once you get the maiden, let me know so that we can go to her parents and pay the bride price.
Uncle, well, what you said is true, and I've heard what you said. I will look for a maiden and then get back to you.
Okay, that's good.
But then again, Uncle, you know I'm just a local fisherman and I have not even saved enough money. The only money I get is from what I get from the waters. I have not saved money, and where am I going to get the money to pay for bride price and even money to raise my own family?
Nduka, the meaning of your name is Ndukaku. Life is greater than wealth. Bonye bidowo totuya. You can start saving up money now. All I want you to do right now is to go and look for a beautiful maiden of your choice. Then you get back to me and I'll take it up from there.
Okay. Okay, Uncle.
Yeah.
I've heard what you said.
It's okay.
Alright.
Alright, so I'll have to run along.
No,
I have a
Uncle,
meeting.
wait, let me get you at this cola now.
Ha! Ndukaku, you don't need to bother yourself about that.
Uncle, no now. How can you come to my house and I will not even offer, even if it is water?
Nduka, were you not the one that just mentioned that you didn't catch anything today? You want to present yourself as cola?
It's fine.
Ndukaku, the most important thing is life. Ndukaku, your name. That's what your name implies. Ndukaku. Huh?
Alright,
Just
Uncle.
do as I said.
Sure, thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay.
I swear. I roasted it very well.
Really try.
I sure.
You know, fear, you just roast it.
I'm not laughing now.
Kai, this one enter my breath.
Fish is so sweet.
Nduka is you. Nduka is taking care of you.
He's taking good care of me. Lady can do kakwalam. Such a sweet gentleman.
Hey, again na afia kwa.
Mama. Mama no.
Daalụ Chizoba.
Ma.
Good day, Mama.
Ọ gịnị na-afịọ? Chizoba.
Mama, welcome.
Ọ gịnị na-emekwa?
I na-atazu.
Ụmụasa. Hey, enjoyment. Nne, take this thing inside. I'm coming, oh. Hey. Goodbye. Unne, come there, kai.
Mama, what's inside? I better can take one.
Don't worry.
Take one, no. Take one. No, Gia. Take one, no. You know that.
Chizoba, ozugbo.
Look at all, Mabu Ancha.
It's okay. Let me go and prepare dinner. Can Chizoba. Ọ maga ka iburu ujugbo n'ihe aka ọnụ. Na-atọ ụtọ, biri.
No. Just to turn ụtọ. Very salt.
O nweghị itinye ya. Ụtọkwara ụtọ. Anyway, let me go and prepare dinner. Things are very expensive in the market.
Should I come and join you?
No. When you're done with your friends, you come and join me in the kitchen. You know, go. It's okay. Enjoy yourself. Manaka chara. Come on, enwekwara. Ogini. Chizoba ogini meko.
Mama, your food is inside now.
No fire. I'm gonna enjoy, eh?
Okay, Mama.
I'm a track. I'm gonna go.
So.
Nduka, my friend, your uncle gave you a nice advice. Your parents are late. You need to marry now to bear children so you can continue the lineage of your father.
And so we both know that I would be very happy to marry Chizoba. Like, I would be the happiest man on earth. But it is money now, eh? I am just a poor fisherman. I don't even have any money. Where will I get money to pay for her bride price? And when I start raising my family, I also need money.
That's when your uncle comes in. Your father left lands for you before dying. Use it as a collateral to borrow money. Then when you save up, you pay back.
Pia. Okay, Izioku. I can sell one of the lands and use the money and marry Chizoba.
Ha! Have you forgotten our tradition? You can't sell land and use the money to marry. It is an abomination in our land. Use it as a collateral to borrow money. Then when you save up, you pay.
Yes, sir.
First thing first, you have to tell your uncle you have found the lady you want to marry. Then know what he has to say. Who knows? He may give you the money.
Okay. I'll tell him.
That is what you have to do, my friend. After telling him, then you proceed in telling Chizoba your intention to marry her.
Sure. I'll do just that. Thank you.
You're welcome. Come with me. Let me go and check on my trap.
Okay, let's go.
Nduka loves Chizoba so much.
Ndoka, are you sure of what you're saying?
She's sure. You need to come and see the big fish. When I say big, very big fish, Uduka gave Chizoba. Ha! I wish I have a boyfriend who will give me big fish. Oh.
Eh?
Chizoba called us all. We cooked the fish and we ate. The fish I'm talking about is very big. Very big fish. Oh. She even said that that's the only fish Nduka caught that day. Very, very big, oh, the fish.
Chelugodu, wait. You mean to tell me that Ndoka caught a big fish and instead of taking it home or even selling it in the market to make money, he gave it to Chizoba?
Bam. That's to show you how much he loves her. I love one tinty.
Hey!
I'm telling you.
Are you serious?
Very big. Because my mother will be waiting for me at home.
Chizoba is so lucky.
Very lucky. Nduka. Good afternoon, Nduka.
Amaka, what is it?
My mother sent me. She said I should ask if you have fish for sale, so you can sell for us.
Tell her there is no fish. But this evening I'll go and check my trap. If there is fish, I'll bring it for you.
Okay.
Hey! What's the meaning of this now? What is the meaning of this? Everyday wet dream. No. I can't continue like this. So, Oh, I think it's time for me to get married though. Eh? So that I can be doing whatever I want with my wife. Not every day I'll be doing this thing in the dream. I love you so much.
And I love you too.
There is something I've been meaning to ask you.
What is it?
I want you to be my wife.
What? Hold on. hold on. Say that again. I didn't hear you clearly the first time. Say it again.
I want to marry you. I'm serious.
Hold on. Can you please repeat yourself again for the last time?
I want to marry you.
You want me? You want me, Chizoba, to be your wife?
Yes.
I'll marry you. Yes, Nduka. I'll be your wife. I love you so much. I've been waiting for so long for you to ask me this question. What kept you?
You know I love you too. And when we get married, I will make you the happiest woman on earth.
Thank you so much. I love you so much, Nduka. And I can't wait to be your wife. Thank you for coming into my life and making me happy. Ever since I met you, I have known peace, love, and happiness.
And peace, love, and happiness is what we'll have till eternity.
Ise. I can't wait to be your wife. Where are you taking me to this girl?
It's like this.
Mama. There's something I want to tell you.
What is it? Say something now, you're doing like this. What is it, Chizoba? This one I'm seeing smile in your face.
Mama. Okay, I'll tell you.
Say it now.
Okay.
Chizoba, what is it?
Nduka asked me to marry him.
What did you say? Kefe Walia?
What were you expecting? Of course, I said yes.
That is my baby.
I'm so happy.
You are a true daughter of your mother. Ilokwa, do you know that young man, he's so hardworking and handsome. I love that. Hey!
I'm so happy.
I'm happy too.
He said he'll be coming very soon to collect the list from you and my uncles, so he can start making arrangements.
There's no problem. I will go and meet your uncle. So I will tell him to collect the list from Omona. You go?
Very soon now, be Mishish.
But wait. You know, look, my prayer is that your first issue will be a male child. You know your husband will love it. Every man in Igbo land, that is what they want.
Amen, Mama.
And that is my prayer for you.
My Chi and Osebuluwa will make that happen.
He say,
I carry your grandson.
Hey! He can help you. What's up?
I was there the grandmother.
This is my name. Beautiful news. I love that. Happiness.
This kind of news.
No.
You're not supposed to be testing.
I'm thirsty. This is my sister Biko. Oh, get me water. Hey, Chizoba.
Nduka, you've actually made a right choice. Chizoba is a good girl, and she's from a very good home. I know her father even before his death. He's one of our greatest hunters in this village. So, and he's a good man. So, Chizoba is a marriageable girl.
Thank you so much, Uncle. Uncle, but I have one problem now.
Money is your problem, right?
Yes.
You have nothing to worry about. You see, I've discussed with my friend Arinze, like I told you earlier on. So he has promised to give me money. So once he gives me the money, then we start making arrangements for the marriage program.
Thank you very much. I promise to pay you back little by little after the marriage.
Well, no problems. The point is that we should just be praying to the gods that he fulfill his promise. Once that happens, then we'll have to go to Chizoba's mother and the uncle so that we'll collect the marriage list and then commence everything properly.
Thank you very much, Uncle. Thank you for all the help. What would I have done without you?
No. It is my responsibility. Look, you are my late brother's son. So it is my duty to make sure that you're okay. So now that you've made the right choice by picking Chizoba, then it's my duty to make sure everything happens. So I'll do my best to put things in order.
Alright, thank you, Uncle.
So I have to be on my way now because I need to put things in order.
Okay, let me see you.
So
girls, I have good news. Ndeka proposed to me and I accepted.
Oh my God! I'm so happy for you. Congratulations, my friend.
Very soon, I will become Mrs. Ndoka.
Wow.
Hope you're going to invite us to your traditional marriage. Of course, I'll invite you girls. We've been friends since childhood, so why won't I invite you? I'll invite you girls, okay?
My friend, you are so lucky to have such a handsome young man as a husband-to-be. Not my own Emeka that have dated me for 6 years, not even thinking of marriage. What is funny?
He will still marry you, okay?
I'm so happy your chi has finally remembered you.
Yes, so my chi has finally remembered me by giving me in the car. I love him so much, girls.
Love again.
Do you know that I see him in my dreams every night? I can't wait to be his wife and bear him children. I can't wait to spend forever with him.
Your mother must be very happy.
When I told her, if you see the way she was dancing, she said she can't wait to carry her grandchildren. She was so happy and she's like, I can't wait to come for a move. She can't wait. She don't want me to give her grandchildren. That's all. That woman.
I can imagine her joy.
I'm telling you. Please, let's go. Don't worry, Emeka will still marry you. Maybe in next 10 years.
She can never tell.
Don't say that.
He's taking his time.
Taking his time.
Until I enter menopause.
Don't worry, we'll still marry you.
Hey, very soon I will leave him for who?
Chizoba, daughter of Agumba, the granddaughter of Chido. Greetings. Congrats. Your good news has spread like wildfire among the 6 villages of Umuagu. Good news. Sorry, what good news are you talking about? I'm lost. Your upcoming marriage with Ndoka. Oh, that. Yes, thank you very much. I'm so happy. I will soon be getting married to the love of my life, Ndoka. I'm so happy. And thank you very much for congratulating me. Thank you. Have you ever asked him about the scar on his hand? Scar on his hand. Sorry, what scar are you talking about? Chizoba, if I am to advise you, do not get married to Nduka. Because if you do, tears and sorrow will be the order of your day. Hold on. Let me get this. I don't understand. Where is all this coming from? What do you mean? Besides, how did you even know my father's name and my grandfather's name? What do you mean by I should not get married to Nduka? Else, tears and sorrow will be the order of my day. What's that supposed to mean? Can you enlighten me with that? Hello? Hello? Who is this one again? Scar. On his hands. What Scar? What Scar is she talking about? I think I should see Nduka right away. Oh, who is she now? I've not seen this face in this village before. Ha!
Ibe, my friend, I heard your sister will be getting married soon.
And my mom promised that when she's coming from the K market, she will get me beautiful and nice clothes.
Hey, hope I'm invited.
Why not? And my sister Chizuba, hey, she's very happy. Very, very happy.
Why would she not be happy? Her husband to be Nduka is very handsome and hardworking. Not like all these village boys that always roam around doing nothing. He's handsome.
You know, the other day Nduka visited. He brought big fish.
Fish?
You should see fish.
Hey.
I wonder if he marries my sister. Hey, be eating fish every day.
You are very funny.
What do you expect when your sister gets married to a fisherman? We'll be using fish to cook every day.
That means I'll be coming to visit you
every
day.
Don't worry, you're my friend.
I know, but is there fish inside? You say you brought big one that day now. There's fish inside.
Oh, yeah, come and be going.
Hey,
come and be going.
The fish, uncle.
Don't start.
Hey,
do not start.
But you say the fish
is
big.
Come and be going.
I will not press again.
Come and be going.
The fish. I calm down because of fish. Don't want to game. Is there fish inside? You
no
said
fish.
You brought fish that day now.
No fish. Come and be going, I beg.
Hey.
Nduka, I went to your house. I didn't see anyone. I knew you would be in the river.
Abuchi, do you know that I've been here since morning? And I have not caught anything. Eh? I don't know what is happening to me these days.
Nduka, my friend. Some days are like that. Don't worry, oh? Come on, let's try one more time.
Honestly, Abuchi, I don't need all these things. Eh? You know I'm getting married soon. And I should be making good cards so that I can save up for my coming marriage.
Like I said, don't worry. Come, let's try one more time. Come.
No, I don't tire.
I want to ask you a question. And please, I want you to tell me the truth and nothing but the truth.
Okay. I promise to tell you the truth. I swear with Ajani to be truthful.
Can I see your left hand?
Um, why?
Remember your promise. You just promised me here. In fact, you swore right here to tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. So, don't try anything stupid because Ajani will strike you.
Okay. I promised.
What is this scar for?
Well, as my wife to be, I think you deserve to know the truth.
I'm all ears.
Many years ago, before I met you, you know, my parents died at a very early age, so I had to fend for myself. I started stealing. I was the one that came to your compound that day to steal goat. Your mother was the one that gave me this car while I was trying to escape.
What? So it's been you? So it's been you, Nduka? You have been the one stealing in this village, stealing people's goats. You stole all our goats and cocks, and when you were trying to steal the last one, my mother gave you this mark. So it was you.
My love, but not anymore. I promise you I'm a changed person now. I no longer steal stuff. I now work very hard for my money.
Really?
Yes, and promise me that you're not going to say a word of this to anyone. Not even your mother. Please.
Are you even sure? I can't believe this.
Promise me.
Okay, fine, I promise. But are you even sure you've changed?
I have. Thank you so much. Please keep my secret safe with you. Huh?
Your secret is safe with me.
Thank you so much. Come. But Obim, why did you suddenly ask me about the scar on my hand?
It's a story for another day.
Are you sure?
I want to go to my house now. See you next time. Mama, I met one strange maiden and she told me not to marry Nduka, else sadness, sorrows and tears would be my portion.
May the gods forbid.
Say,
It will never be your portion. But wait, who is this lady you met that said such a thing?
I don't know how. I've not met her before. She also said something.
What is it?
Are you even sure? I can't believe this.
Promise me.
Okay, fine, I promise. Never mind, Mama. Mama, please, I want to ask you something. Why is it that people use people's past to judge them?
Listen to me. Never you listen to any side talks. Because I know my enemies are trying to stop the blessings that is coming to me. By you not to marry Ndoka, but they will never succeed.
He say...
All their plans will go back to them. All their evil plans will never come to us.
Yes, Mama. I must marry Ndoka and give you grandchildren.
He say...
Grandson, for that matter.
He say...
He's envy. They're jealous of us.
And they will never succeed. Even if in a human being or in a spirit, they will never succeed. Our blessings must come to us. What is this?
It's jealousy. They are jealous of me.
What kind of thing is this?
Because my Ndoka is huge, fair and handsome. That's why they're jealous.
Look at this one, you're sleeping. Ndoka. Ndoka. Ndoka.
Ndoka. Yeah. Welcome.
Ndoka. What is this?
Oh, not again.
What is this?
It's wet dream.
Wet dream. For how long have you been having this wet dream?
Ever since I became a man. Whenever I sleep, I'll just be having dreams where I'm with money.
So once I collect the money, we'll go and fix a date with your wife to be his parents. Okay?
Thank you.
So on your own part, how much have you been able to save up?
Honestly, I don't know what is happening. Ever since we started making these marriage plans, I haven't even saved anything. I haven't caught any fish, not to talk of selling. I don't know. The only thing I have on me, home and abroad, is 2,000 naira.
2,000 naira. Oh well, not to worry. The money I'm going to collect from Abuja will be enough to take care of everything. Okay? Let me run along now. Let me go to him and see if I can collect the money. At least that will bring an end to this wet dream thing. Start making kids. These are children wasting away. So, very important. So, let me go and see him now.
Okay,
once he gives me the money, I'll come back.
Thank you very much.
Make sure you change your
Sure. Right.
Arinze, the son of Ojuku.
Okay. Greetings.
How are you?
Yeah, well,
I met you well.
yes.
Hey, Ari. Ari Onyego.
Okay. Do you know that the money the government was owing me was paid yesterday?
Ah! Ugwebe na mbabu. Ase akufecha odarawo. Hey, Ari. May Ajani and your chi be praised for this wonderful work. You know, it's been long you've been expecting this money, but finally it's here. Finally. Arinze, I actually came in respect of what we discussed last time. You know, I asked you for some money, to lend me some money. And you promised me that as soon as the government pays this money, that you are going to give me the money. And thanks the gods, thanks our Ajani, that he has made it possible. Now the money is here now.
Mazi Okeke. See, I don't think it's going to be possible.
Why not?
I don't have money. I don't have money. I'm sorry, I don't have. I wish I have. I don't have, please.
But that is that you promised me. You said once the government pays you, that you're going to lend me the money. And now you said again from your own mouth, you said that they paid you yesterday. And I am seeing the money here. See, now.
See, Mazi Okeke. I beg you in the name of Chukwu Okeke.
Yeah.
I beg you with everything that is good. I don't have. You know, if I have, I will lend you any amount you want. But I don't have now. I don't have.
I don't understand why you are being so aggressive like this. Over money. Over the promise you make. Your what should be your bond. You said you were going to give me this money. So what is the problem? Why are you raising temper? Okay. I am going to give you a land as collateral. Yes. You hold the land. If I don't return the money, then you take it.
Ichie, I don't have. I don't have. I have a lot of things to take care of. Look, I have only one goat here. I have to do my investment. Please, I don't want to get angry and talk to you in a way you won't like. You can go. You can start going.
You are even walking me out of your house. I can go. Because of the promise you make, Arinze. Make go. No problems. I'll go.
Go. Maybe next time we'll...
No, let there be no next time. I'll go. No problem.
Go.
People can change you because of money.
Because you see me with money, you want to collect the whole money. I will not take care of my house. I will not take care of anything. Don't have.
Uncle, are you saying that you walked in on him counting money and he still said he doesn't have any money to give to you?
Exactly what I just said. Huh? I mean, the whole thing is just strange to me. Huh? Arinze gave me his word. He promised me that he was going to give me the money as soon as the government pays him the money. Then I walked in on him counting money. I now reminded him, Arinze, how about the money you promised to lend me? He said no, that he has problems now. He has a lot of projects in his hands and all that. So they're talking trash. This is just strange. Hey!
It's truly strange.
Arinze. This is a man I lent money during his mother's burial. I gave him 80,000 naira. I gave him 80,000 naira. Now, it is my turn now for him to reciprocate now. It's a problem. Arinze. Hey, human beings. Hey. Wow.
But uncle, don't you think something is wrong somewhere? With all the things that are happening recently that I just started making my marriage plans, it's very strange. It's strange.
Well, I think so. I think so too, because I mean, it doesn't seem to be ordinary. It's just strange. At the dying minute, we've set everything planned only for us to get this money and start off everything. Look at things are falling apart. But what I don't understand is, why must Arinze treat me this way? Arinze, my best friend.
Emeka, my friend, I want to ask you for something.
So, what is it?
Emeka, Abuchi, my friend, needs money. I want to beg you to borrow me money so that I can help him for his traditional marriage plan.
How much are we talking about here? And when can you pay me back the money?
100,000 naira. And I promise I will pay you back immediately after his traditional marriage.
100,000. Wait for me. Let me go inside and see what I can do. Okay?
Thank you.
So this is 100,000 naira. I'm giving it to you now. Take it. And make sure you pay me back this money.
Thank you very much, Emeka. I really appreciate it. And I promise to endeavor to pay you back the money immediately after the traditional wedding.
Try to pay me back my money.
I will. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you, bro.
Okay. Now only me get money for this village.
Unduka, my friend.
No, so because I'm not in a good mood, just leave me alone.
I have a good news for you.
No, so please, just leave me. I'm not in the mood for all those things.
Your problem is solved.
How are my problems solved? Have I gotten the money that I need to marry Chizoba?
Here is 100,000 naira. you can go ahead with your marriage plans.
Hey. Movi, where did you get this money from?
That is a story for another day. You know you are my friend. And I will help you. So go ahead with your marriage plans.
Hey. Monsu, thank you so much. Eh? Thank you so much for this money. I promise you, after the marriage, I'm going to pay you back. Thank you.
No problem.
Hey! Thank you so much. Hey! Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I really appreciate this. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey! Chizoba, my love. Ndoka is coming to marry you!
So people came to my place. I hope all is well. Ah, Ebere, all is well, oh. But we heard your sister is getting married.
Yes, so I would like to do a shebi for your sister.
Yes, I and my friend will also like to join them.
Yes. Okay. When she comes back, I will tell her. I'll talk to her about it.
Hey, thank you, Ebere.
Okay, now I see you later.
Okay.
Bye.
All right.
I know.
Chizoba, daughter of Agumba, are you going to get married to a thief who stole from your mother and family? You know I've been looking for you. And here you are. Thanks to the gods of our land. Now listen and listen real good. Tomorrow is my traditional marriage day with Ndoka, the love of my life. And nobody, no man, no spirit can stop us. Do you understand me? Read my lips. No man, born of a woman, can stop me. Yes, I must get married to Ndoka, the love of my life, and nothing will happen. Remember I told you that if you get married to Ndoka, tears and sorrow will be yours forever. I wish you the same. Do not eat the food that belongs to another. Be careful, daughter of Agumba. Oh, now he's no longer a thief. He's no longer a thief. He now belongs to another. I think I'm getting it now. So you're jealous of us. You're jealous of Ndoka and I. Hey, young lady, just tell me you like Ndoka. Just one watermelon, one that you want to eat or with her. But it will not reach you. Oman Lugi, Ndoka belongs to me and me alone. He does not belong to anybody else. So go and tell whoever that sent you that your plans has failed. Your plans has failed, oh! Nobody can stop us, not even you. Do you understand me? Get out! They don't eat the food that belongs to another. Okay, now he belongs to another. He's no longer a thief. They have not said what you want. Rubbish. Mayale.
ọ ga-adịrị unu mma n'eke ọ ga-adịrị unu mma n'oye ọ ga-adịrị unu mma n'afọ dịrị unu mma na nkwọ ọ ga-amụ ozuzu eke nwa ozuzu abụọ nwa ozuzu nkwọ oke ọgọ ka ọ dụbagwodu.
Thank you, Uncle.
How was your night?
I slept so well in your arms. I slept good.
I am going to the river now, and I pray the waters favor me so that I can catch big fishes.
You say, don't worry, my love. Your Chi and Ajan will favor you, okay?
See, okay.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
All right. Take care, okay? May your Chi favor you so you catch plenty fishes today.
Yes,
we'll sell some and use some for pepper soup.
No.
Take care, okay?
Unduka, my friend.
Unduka, the great fisherman of our village.
Why is your face looking like this?
No, so, you know, since I paid you back the money you borrowed me for my marriage, I don't know. I haven't been making any catch. I think I should just find something else and do. I'm tired.
My friend, some days are like that. Do you remember how difficult it was before you got married? It's well, my friend.
I've heard you. I'm hungry. I want to go home and eat. What are you up to?
I'm on my way to see my grandmother. I will see you when I come back.
Man, may the gods be with you.
It's a...
And where is the fish you came back with?
What is the meaning of that question? Did you see me with any fish? Is that the welcome you're supposed to tell me? What kind of stupid question is that?
Sorry, oh. Welcome, my husband. Ngwano, show me the fish. Let me go and start making the pepper soup.
I did not make any catch today. Did not come back with any fish. I'm not in the mood for all this thing. Go and give me food. I'm hungry.
I should go and give you food. You are hungry. As what? When you left this house this morning, did you drop money for me? Did you drop money for cooking today? Answer me now, you're looking at me.
Don't we have yams remaining? Why didn't you make any of the yams?
You did not marry me in this house to be eating yam every day. I hear what I'm telling you. Yesterday yam, day before yesterday yam, this morning yam. I don't understand. Did you marry me to be eating yam every day in this house? Well, just explain to me, I don't get it. What do you mean?
Are you okay? Am I the one you're talking to like that?
I don't understand. Am I okay? Are we three here?
Am I the one you're speaking to like that?
Are we three in this compound?
Am I the one you're shouting at?
Are we three here? Listen, if you want to eat yam, go to the kitchen and make yam for yourself.
Listen, I am not in a good mood. Go and give me food, let me eat.
There is no food. I did not make any food because I don't want to eat yam again.
Am I the one you're shouting at?
I'm done eating yam. I'm done eating yam.
Am I the one you're shouting at? Are you mad? What is wrong with you?
You just slap me. Are you okay? Have you lost it? Why will you slap me?
Wait, you slap me.
I will slap you. You slap me. Nduka, the handsome fisherman.
Your face looks familiar.
I know you are hungry. Come and have some fruits.
Wait, oh. Have I seen you somewhere before?
Yes. I was the lady you saw earlier today, bathing at the river.
Oh.
Come and have some fruits. Follow me.
Chizoba, stop crying. You were not supposed to slap him. He's a man.
What do you mean by that? I don't understand. What do you mean by I'm not supposed to slap him? He slapped me first, Ngozi. Are you not hearing what I'm saying? He slapped me first. Okay, I shouldn't have slapped back. Hey, let me tell you something, Ngozi. Any man that beats up his wife is not man enough. Yes, I said so.
I know. Duduka, I know, is a good man. Maybe something is wrong somewhere and you need to find out.
Something like what? Something like what, Ngozi? Speak now.
Chizoba, when he returns, just apologize to him.
Over my dead body. May the gods forbid. I will never try it. I should apologize to a man that beat me up mercilessly like a common slave. I should apologize to him.
He's your husband.
And so, you know what, Ngozi? Keep this your advice to yourself. After all, you are very single. You are not yet married, so you don't even know anything about marital home. So you better start going. Stand up and go.
Chizoba, don't allow the devil to bring you.
Madam, get out. Come on, leave this place. Idiot. You're telling me, don't allow the devil. Don't allow the devil. Wait now until you enter your own husband's house before you start giving married women advice. Look at this single to stupor, giving married women advice. Are you for real? Let me see your legs here again. Me, apologize to Nduka, God forbid. But the gods will not even allow that happen. I'll not try it. You mean Nduka slapped Chizoba?
Yes, it did. And Chizoba slapped him back and Nduka beat the hair out of her.
Inokwa. But their marriage is not even up to 6 months. And they are already fighting. Now, wow. But, Ngozi, what did you tell your friend, Chizoba?
Good question. I told her to apologize to her husband. Do you know what Chizoba did? Chizoba insulted me and drove me out of her house.
Yeah. But the advice you gave her is not a bad one. Why would she drive you out of her house?
Do I know?
She drove you out of her house.
Yes.
Nduka and Chizoba used to love themselves so much before they got married. So why are they fighting now? I don't think this is ordinary anymore. Marriage is never a bed of roses. I pray that Diachi and Oseprowa hears them out and make their marriage a successful one.
Me, I will never go to Chizoba's house again.
You will go. You will still go. She's your friend. Very soon now she will cook fish and you will go and eat.
What's that?
Will you not go?
You have started.
Now
Amara.
you will eat fish, eat abacha, eat this one. Eat, you will go. She's your friend.
Me.
You too. Don't you go?
I'm sorry. My husband, please forgive me. I'm sorry for what happened. I promise it will never happen again. Please forgive me.
Chizoba, Biko, leave me alone. I have somewhere important to go to. Have Maka.
Please now, my husband. Because
Chizoba, leave me alone. You will tear my nika.
You have not eaten since yesterday now.
I don't want to eat.
Let me prepare you a fresh food.
I don't want to eat. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Let me make fresh food.
I said leave me alone. I don't want to eat. Do you want to tear my nika? What is the meaning of this?
I don't understand. No, I don't understand. Oh, because I'm begging you. Because I'm begging you. Look at this poor wretched thing. Poor fisher boy. Because I'm begging you. Hi, Chizoba, you have suffered. Chizoba, you have suffered. Hi. Because I'm begging you. Do you even think I'm enjoying this thing called marriage that we are doing? Do you think I'm enjoying it? I am not enjoying it. Yes. In fact, I regret ever getting married to you. Yes, I regret everything. This is not the life I plan for myself. This is not the life I plan for myself at all. Before you came out from nowhere with your poverty-stricken self to marry me, I did not plan to end up with a poor fisher boy like you. I did not. I'm begging you, you are doing guy.
Mua, poor and wretched.
Big for nothing.
Mua, big for nothing.
Yes, you are a poor fisher boy, big for nothing.
Me, poor and wretched.
Are you
mad? Are you stupid? It's me, you're stupid. You're stupid. I force you to marry me. Stupid.
Emeka, what is it? Can you imagine that Ndoka now beat his wife Chizoba?
Ndoka? The same Ndoka I borrowed money to. Now, I'm regretting why I borrowed him the money.
How?
If we had known, we wouldn't even help him when he was in need of help.
And we cannot do anything at this point now than to talk to him direct.
Well, I will try my best to talk to him. Talk some sense into him. How can a man be beating up his wife?
Look, I have mine. He has mine beating his wife. That's me.
Osuko, it's okay. You don't worry, I can say what the best now. So this man wants to blind you. But okay, please. What is all this?
Mama, he beats me every day. I don't know my offense. I don't know what I did to him.
Hey!
Mama, he beats me every day. He beats me day and night. I don't know my offense.
Hey!
He beats me up every day, Mama. I don't want to lose my sight.
No, you won't lose your sight, my dear. The doctor said you'll be okay. Before next week, everything will be fine. It's just a minor injury. No,
it's not a minor injury. You call this a minor injury?
My dear.
You call this a minor injury? Mama, look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. Before I can move, not I say no minor injury. Mama, listen to me. I don't want to marry again.
No, don't say that. Shh. It's okay. Everything will be fine, okay? Your uncle will go there tomorrow morning. And everything will be settled. We will talk to Nduka. Go. Yes. We'll go and see Nduka tomorrow. I and your uncle will go and see him. And everything will be settled. So
Mama, leave me. I'm not going with you people. I'm not going on. People will go alone. Because he might come back see me and start beating me again without me talking to him. I'm not going.
Hey, my dear, it's okay. Be cool.
Chizoba, what happened to your eyes?
Chijama, go inside, my friend.
Please, Chizoba, tell your husband that when next you are coming, you should bring food for me and Mama.
Come on, go happy, Abiko. Ebere, come on, go inside.
I don't blame her now. Look at the way she's shaking that her small bum bum.
Make you with a mmiri. May I also call you any to
let her be very careful before she will marry my kind of husband.
Stop talking. See your head. It's okay. Relax. Mosisa first. It's okay.
She better take time before she will marry.
Sugo, don't say more, please. It's okay. It's okay. But then Miri, what are
I don't want to marry again. Just tell me.
Don't say it. Shh, stop.
Mama, did my father beat you? Mama, go fire.
Okay, my good friend.
I'm good.
You have to forgive our daughter. As an able me, and hear me say, forgive our daughter. As an old tongue, cut of way not even. Just forgive our daughter, please.
I've heard you. I've tried to find out from Nduka what actually caused this problem, but he has not been able to give me any tangible answer.
Nduka, my son-in-law, Biko. To err is human, to forgive is divine. Biko now, do. Forgive my daughter. I know she has done wrong to you. Only ana wako baka. Ama mko siku. Wonka siku na. Mana Biko. For my sake, for everyone's sake, forgive her. Nogo, bayalo. Obona mehe. Adiro, bayare amande. Obona choka.
Don't go to that one.
What?
My husband, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. Forgive me, please. I'm sorry for everything. Please find a place in your heart and forgive me. Please, my husband.
Stand up, okay? You know I love you.
And I love you too.
I love you more.
This is how it should be. Huh? May God bless this marriage. This is what I say.
I did not see you yesterday.
Yes, I was busy with my mother. That was why I could not come out.
Please, I want to tell you that I don't want this thing that we have anymore. I have settled with my wife and I want to focus on my family. So please leave me alone. I am no longer interested. I'm sorry, Biko. I said you should leave me alone. I have settled with my wife and I... Hey! Chizoma! I just saw cooking in a river. So this is what you've been doing. Chizoma! Hey! Hey! Somebody's wife! Inside the bush! Hey! Anaya wari yama! Hey! Okay! I have evidence now. She left her skirt here. Hey! Chizoma! Hey! Chizoma, look at you! Look at your life! Hey! Chizoma!
This is what Chizoma.
Hey! Ah no! Chizoma! I do not want to be married to Chizoba anymore. I don't want. Okay, my good friend. I got to remove even a member. What are you saying? I don't believe that my brother's daughter was caught inside the bush doing inside the bush.
Majo Cole, you said you don't believe that your daughter can do a thing like this.
Now, let me ask her. Chizoba, did I not see you in the bush making love to a villager? Did I see you or not?
He's talking to you. Answer him. Answer him! You come out on his seat.
Mba, Adaka walk on his eba. Let me prove my point. Look at it. Is this not your skirt?
Hey!
This is her skirt! She left it and ran away the moment I caught them in the bush. Look at her skirt!
Hey!
In a day, as if you don't have a husband. Chizoba, is this not your half shimmy?
He's asking you!
Now, it's your glory. Can you now believe me? Hi!
Hey, my in-laws, Biko, forgive my daughter. Nam, Biko, Bayalo.
Please, I don't know what came over me. Please,
No, why are you begging us?
Biko, forgive my daughter.
No, what the villager has taken from her, how do you bring it back so that we can forgive? Mama, please, nobody should beg me, okay? My word still stands. I do not want to be married to Chizoba anymore. She can go ahead and enjoy it with anybody in the village that she likes doing it with.
Please, Biko, Biko.
No, look at her. Eh? Hey! All the villagers have broken the alignment on her waist. Or can I just straight? She no longer walks straight. Yeah. Look at her. Look at her waist. Yeah. Look at what they've done to her waist. I, a married woman. I. It's all good. You can.
May the gods forbid. Chizoba has insulted herself by sleeping with her best friend husband.
But wait though. Since past 3 years now, Ijoma has been friends with Ndoka. We have not seen her with Abuchi or heard anything about them. Why now? Something is wrong somewhere.
Are you okay? What do you mean by maybe something is wrong? There is nothing wrong. Chizoba has always been a village prostitute. A shawako. I said it. She has always been pretending to be a good girl. I love Ndoka. She doesn't love Ndoka anything.
Amara.
I heard she's still begging him, but he refused.
You heard she's still begging. If you were Ndoka, will you accept a prostitute as a wife? Of course you will refuse. If I were him too, I would even beat her blue and black before sending her back to her people.
Take it easy. And please, I'm not Chizoba.
Are you not Chizoba's friend? Are you two not the ones going to her house to eat fish? Eat abata? Every time you're eating over.
Is it why he's paying?
Get out!
I don't mind her, she's jealous. Let me help you. Look at her. Now she come and meet you. She's alive.
My love, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I was blinded by her tears. I promise not to leave you again. Please forgive me, Biko. Please.
Come to me, my love.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I missed you so much.
I missed you too. My love, please. I would like to know you more. Like, I want to get to know your parents, where you live. In fact, I want to make you my wife.
Don't worry. When the time comes, you will know everything. But for now, come and make me happy.
Chimo.
Mama, what is it?
Ebere. I had a bad dream.
Dream? Mama, I came to ask you if I should get the food. Food is ready.
Food? Yes, where is Chisoba?
I don't know, Mama. I think she went, I don't know.
You again? What do you want from me this time around? What? Just tell me, what do you want?
I warned you. I warned you, but you paid deaf ears. Now look at you. You've been crying since yesterday. Tears and sorrows is now the order of your day. No one takes what belongs to me since the creation of Useborowa. Ndoka is mine and will be mine forever.
Wise one, I greet you.
You're welcome.
Biko, wise one, ever since my child got married, there have been problems here and there. Please, I came to consult Afa to know what the problem is. Biko, that is why I am here. I need a solution. Biko. Money for Afa. Afa be here.
Daughter of the universe.
What is it?
Get out of my shrine. Get out with your evil daughter!
Evil.
Go before I turn you deaf and dumb!
Yeah, Mama, please stand up. Let's go. Huh? Chalo, I'm going to strike out. Go. Mama, leave the money. He said he will strike out. Let's go, please.
Okay, Mary, the wise one, the man with the knowledge of the spirit of water. I greet you. Biko, I want you to help my daughter, Chisoba. Since she got married, she had no peace. I would like to know the problem. And here is the money for Afa.
No, okay, Mary. Okay, Mary, please help me. I'm losing my marriage, please.
Go.
Please.
Wipe your tears. Wipe your tears. Let me consult the gods.
Ndoka, your husband is married to a very powerful spiritual wife.
Chimo, what?
Ugomiri is so powerful that she even makes love with Ndoka, physical and spiritual. She appeals to him at any moment of the time.
Wise one, I've not seen him make love with anybody.
And that's the problem. That's the problem. Ndoka should have settled the spiritual wife before marrying you. He made a mistake.
Hey! Chimo, Chisoba, Mama, Mama, that means she was the one that told me not to marry Nduka that time.
And you disobeyed. That's why she has been causing problem in your marriage.
Hey!
Great one. Okay, Miri. Nwoke na-afụ n'ife, na-afụ na nzuzo. Biko, tell me, what are we going to do?
Yes.
Biko, tell us.
Ndoka galolu mmiri. It is very hard, but simple. You will convince Ndoka to go to the river and tell that the spiritual wife that is no longer in marriage with her. Going there, you will go with a goat. A goat. And the other items.
Mama, no problem. Great one, wise one. I will try to convince him.
And once that is done, you will have peace in your marriage.
Hey! I can't wait. My daughter will have peace. Thank you. Great one, darling.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Darling.
Mama, let's go and tell you.
Oh, yeah.
Several one, the all-knowing deity, the spirit of the waters, we are here with Ndoka to pay off and settle the spiritual wife. He has come with goat and the other items. You are asking you that you accept his sacrifice and set him free. Let him go and begin a new life with the new wife. Thank you.
I am here today to disconnect and set myself free from the spirit of the waters. I have gotten married to my beautiful wife Chizoba. Please accept these gifts and give me peace.
It is done.
The daughter of the universe. You know that Ndoka has paid all his dues and has done all the necessary things. He gave you a goat. So, free and let him alone. You can then pray to Sebulwa to give you another husband.